Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you meet the essentials: a compatible wallet, seed phrase backed up, and enough crypto to cover a purchase plus gas. Once done, open OnlyWay and choose Link Wallet. Scan the QR or use Wallet Connect to confirm. Make sure to approve network permissions and view your address on the app so you know you're connected. This step moves you from setup to action quickly, letting you browse or mint without repeating basics. You now pick a collection or creator and use filters to find the NFT you want based on rarity or price. When you decide to mint or buy, read the mint details and the gas estimate. Approve the exact contract call only if it matches what the app displayed. Once you confirm, monitor the pending transaction in activity and keep an eye on confirmations. If you plan to collect, pin favorites and organize them into folders. You finish by verifying the NFT appears under Wallet Assets and refresh the app to confirm transfer finality. If you want to sell, choose List, set price and royalties, then approve Marketplace contract permissions. For transfers, add recipient and double-check address before sending. If something goes wrong, resync your wallet first, verify you're on the correct network, and if a transaction is stuck, cancel or replace it by resubmitting with higher gas. This usually clears pending issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.